how to create a PayPal account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign up for PayPal directly through your browser on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, type in paypal.com in the address bar and tap Go to open the official PayPal website. From there, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen to open the side panel. At this point, scroll to the bottom of the side panel that pops up. In the next step, tap on Sign Up to begin creating your new PayPal account. Following this, you'll be taken to the registration screen where you'll need to enter your email address. Once done, type in your email address and tap Next to proceed. From here, PayPal will send the confirmation code to the email address you entered. At this stage, open your email app, find the code sent by PayPal, and head back to the browser. After this, enter the confirmation code in the field provided to verify your email address. Once completed, your PayPal account is now created. Simply follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finish setting up your profile and connect your card. Finally, once everything is set up, you're all good to go and ready to start using PayPal. And that's it. If this guide helped you create your PayPal account on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.